How to transfer your WhatsApp data or how to transfer your WhatsApp chat from your one device to the new device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer your WhatsApp data or chats. Now the process itself is pretty simple. If you're transferring it from one Android device to other one, first you want to open up your WhatsApp on your old device. Then you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings. Under settings, you want to head into the option chats. Once on chats, you want to tap on chat backup first and you want to back up all of your chat. Now you can see my last chat was updated 8:33 a.m. So you want to back it up all. Once it's backed up, what you want to do is you want to head back and tap on transfer chats option. Then tap on start and it'll ask you for permission to access nearby Wi-Fi. Now your device must have Wi-Fi and location turned on, so you'll have to enable your location and make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and tap on continue. Once you do so, you want to tap on allow here, give it permission. Now next what you want to do is you can see it says download WhatsApp on your new phone. You want to download the WhatsApp on your new phone, log into your account with the same account using the same phone number, and then it'll give you a confirmation code on your old device. You want to go ahead and enter in that confirmation code on your new device, and then it'll show up a QR code, and just like here you will have to scan it using your old device, and once you do so your transferring chats will be available and it'll start transferring all your chats. So this is the way that you can transfer WhatsApp data. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.